Uzi? Wanna tell me what's the matter?
No! Don't look! I'm gross and eating people and stuff!
Yeah, we'll figure that part out.
Are you gonna leave me?
Oh, Uzi.
Never mind, it's stupid.
Before we met, scary stuff was actually pretty scary. And tonight, too, because you weren't with me to make it fun, somehow. I kind of forgot what that was like.
Same.
We'll stick together, I promise. Ah, is this your tail then, governor?
Don't touch it! Anne, I'm sorry.
Not like you killed anyone.
Oh no, I definitely...
Kidding! Let's avoid another whole spiral. Baby steps. Together?
Ew.
Don't patronize me.
What? I can think it's gross all by myself. You're such a diva lately.
So, I'm missing some campers here.
Yeah, what of it?
Well, someone is touchy.
Hey, I get hungry, idiot.
No name calling.